Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I am going to be doing some Kroger daily updates for you. Today's date is December 20th of 2021, so I'm finding any kind of new deals for you, maybe coupon deals, maybe rebate deals, anything that I can find of any interest at Kroger for you. I'm going to try to post daily. Obviously, there may be days here and there where there's nothing really new that I may just skip the daily update, but for the most part, I'm going to try to do that Monday through Friday, and then have like the ad preview on Saturday and things like that, because I do Meyer on Sundays. So you all told me in my last video that I did on Friday that you like the daily update idea. The videos will be, of course, shorter than the really long videos, which might be kind of nice, but they should give you information of what is happening daily. We're going to try this for a little bit, see how it goes. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you want to keep seeing these. And again, with daily updates, they may not be the best deals in the world, but they're going to be matchups for you. So if you want to keep seeing these, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you get notified when it posts on that daily update, because if you're not getting it on the day that it posts, you may miss out on the deals. So be sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Okay, so let's check out some of these deals that we're going to be doing today or later on this week. Okay, so the first one is a freebie. You may have already known about it, but the Mountain Dew Major Melon 20 ounce, regularly priced $1.99. Out of pocket, you pay that $1.99 and then submit to Ibotta for $1.99 back on one. It's a limit of one time, making it completely free. We did have a fetch reward that expired on the 19th. I had my fingers crossed that it would reload, but it did not reload. At least it did not on my account. Definitely check fetch and make sure that that's the case for you. You possibly could have a moneymaker if that is not the case and you actually have a rebate there. But unfortunately, it's just a freebie, not a moneymaker at Kroger at this time. Next, we have the Suave Kids Shampoo, regularly priced $1.99. You're going to pay that out of pocket, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1. It's a limit of 3 times. Now, we've had the Suave Hair Care Ibotta rebate for quite a while, and of course, it works on lots of different products, so the Suave Kids may be something new that you didn't realize that it worked on. It is expiring at like 4 a.m. on the 22nd, so really the 21st is kind of the last day that you can get this deal, so 20th and 21st, unless you're shopping at like 3 a.m., possibly then you could get it on the 22nd, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, this is going to be completely free after rebate. Really great deal here to grab your freebie. And maybe if you do it today, the 20th, it might reload for the 21st, and you could do it again. So possible, reload there. All right, so 5-time digital coupon deal happening. So General Mills cereals are regularly priced anywhere from $3.29 to $3.49. They're on sale this week for $2.79. That's the kind you want to grab. There is a $1 off one 5-time digital coupon. This is part of that 5-time digital coupon sale that's going on. Now remember, the 5-time digital coupon is a store coupon, so you can stack it with a manufacturer coupon. So we have a $1 off 2 either digital coupon. That is a new coupon to us. It just popped up over the weekend. Or there's a $1 off 2 in Smart Source 1121. Final cost is just $1.29 each for this cereal. Honestly, I like to grab cereal when it's under $1, but anymore with inflation the way it is, prices are going up. This is probably going to be one of the better deals. I may have to change my minimum here for quite a few items because of prices going up. Still a great deal. My favorite General Mills cereal has to be Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Let me know in the comments what your favorite one is. Probably second is the Honey Nut Cheerios, but those are my 2 faves. Okay, so I kind of told you about this deal in the Must Do Deals video from last Wednesday, but we have an extra coupon that we can put into the mix here. So we knew about the 5-time digital coupon and we knew about the digital coupon, but we didn't have a printable coupon. It just actually popped up this morning on coupons.com. So let me go through the deal real quick. Glad, the 13-gallon trash bags, are regularly priced $19.49, and I looked this up. It's like 110 bags in this box, okay? They are on sale for $18.99. You can use the dollar off one 5-time digital coupon, the store coupon, and stack that with a $1.50 off one digital coupon. That is a manufacturer's coupon. If you've already used that and you want to do this deal again, you can print the $1.50 off one printable coupon from coupons.com. However, please go to the link in the description box below and click on that. It's going to take you to coupons.com, but it's using my referral link. It helps me out. It helps me to keep doing these videos for you, and it doesn't cost you a single thing. It doesn't change the way you print. It just helps me out. All right, so use that printable coupon or the digital coupon. Final cost $16.49 each, or basically just 15 cents per bag. I wanted to do this because I wanted to show you another way you can use either the digital or the printable coupon. So let's say you don't want 110 bags, you want something smaller, or maybe you don't have enough money, you're on a tight budget. You can grab the Glad 13-gallon trash bags that are regularly priced $9.29. They're on sale for $8.99, and that $1.50 off one digital coupon or printable coupon will come off of this. So your final cost is $7.49 each. I believe it's 40 bags there. And that's going to equal to be about 19 cents per bag. So obviously the bigger one is going to be a little cheaper per bag, but a lot more out of pocket. So you're just going to weigh your variables here, but I wanted you to see the difference between the two. Okay, let's talk about some Lysol deals. So again, I wanted to kind of give you two scenarios here. These coupons work on different sizes and how much it would cost. So Lysol wipes, the 35 count, are regularly priced $2.99. We do not have a sale price right now. There is a digital coupon for 50 cents off one. There's also a printable coupon, again, from coupons.com, but please use my link below to print them. Final cost is $2.49 each, or just 7 cents per wipe. There's also the Lysol wipes 80 count, which are regularly priced $5.49. No sale. You can use the digital or the printable coupon on this. Final cost would be $4.99 each, or basically 6 cents per wipe. So it's slightly better savings on the 80 count. However, my suggestion for you is to print your printable coupons and hold on to them. And hopefully we will see a sale pop up for the Lysol wipes. Either one would work, because if one of them drops to a sale price, you're going to have a better deal per wipe. So fingers crossed we'll see a sale in the next week or so. After the 28th is the last day of this particular sale. We'll get a new sale on the 29th. So possibly Lysol wipes would be included. So I would kind of print and save unless you're just absolutely in need of wipes. Next deal we have here is the Sprout pouches. So these coupons popped up Saturday morning, I believe. You want to grab 6 of them for this particular deal. They're regularly $1.99. We have a sale price of $1.50 each. And a brand new 4 off 6 digital coupon that just popped up on Saturday morning. Final cost is $5 total, or just 83 cents each. And let me know in the comments if you like these Sprout pouches. I know I never was really brand specific with my little one. I would just get whatever was the best deal. And she liked Gerber, Sprout, whatever it was. If I could find good baby food deals. Now my youngest is 4.5 years old, so we don't do baby food like this anymore. But let me know in the comments if you're brand specific for something in particular. Alright, we also have the Sprout snacks. So you want to grab 2 of them. Their regular price is anywhere from $3.49 to $4.29. They're on sale. They're all on sale for something. So $3.29 to $3.99 each. And we have a brand new 3 off 2 digital coupon. It also popped up Saturday morning. So that makes these as low as $1.79. Of course, if it's at that sale price of $3.99, the price will be a little bit higher there. Next, we have the Lindsay pasta. These are regularly priced $3.49. They're on sale for $3.19, and you're going to pay that out of pocket. We have a new Ibotta rebate that just popped up for $1 back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. Your final cost is $2.19. Not the best deal on pasta, but maybe you're needing that gluten-free, or granted it's probably a little bit higher value pasta than the cheap stuff. I usually try to wait to get pasta when it's completely free with coupons and things like that. But I'm also not very brand specific, and I don't eat a whole lot of pasta to begin with. So anyway, good deal here. All right, I just wanted to give you a quick update. I know many of you have been following me for quite a while, and you know over the last year, my dad had been really, really sick. He fell in February. I mean, we were at the point in February and March, I thought he was going to die. I didn't think he was going to make it out of the hospital. Not only did he make it out of the hospital and into a nursing home, we were able to get him well enough to actually move him out here to Kentucky with me, and he started in a nursing home, and he moved into his own apartment in September and fell the second night he was there and broke his hip. And so after being in the hospital for a week and then back in the nursing home for 4 weeks, he moved back into his apartment, and he has been there ever since. So he has been there for about 2 months into his apartment, and he just celebrated his 71st birthday yesterday on the 19th. And I know many of you have been staying in touch with, asking about him and asking how he's doing. He's doing really, really well, and I didn't think we were going to make it to his 71st birthday. So it's such a blessing, and I just wanted to share it with those of you that care. So that's my dad, and we went to a Mexican restaurant last night and celebrated his birthday. All right, so I want to share a couple things with you that's going on in my life, and of course I understand it's not couponing, so if you sign off, thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. The next thing I wanted to share with you is what we are doing on Christmas break. My girls were in the Christmas musical. Last night they played Ruthie the donkey and a cute little camel that was in the choir. I'm so proud of my girls, and I got to be one of the directors. I was the assistant director to the main director, and be a part of the show last night, and I just thought they were so cute and so sweet. I wanted to share the picture with you. The other thing that we have been doing, we did this on Friday night, is if you are familiar with Northern Kentucky, we have a couple of different things here. We have the Creation Museum. We also have the Ark Encounter that is local and is free to park for local residents, as well as at Christmas time they have like Christmas town and lights and things like that, and all of that is free to the community. If you are not familiar with Creation Museum or the Ark Encounter, know that that is available to you. If you are not local but maybe close enough that it's not too far of a drive, it's only $10 to park, and you get to do all of the outside stuff for free, and some of the inside stuff. Like at the Creation Museum, you can go inside, you can eat, you can go to the bookstore, you can walk around like the main part. You just can't go into the actual exhibits without a ticket. So there's a lot of things that you can do at the Creation Museum, and I just want to show you a picture of some of the lights. This obviously does not do it any justice with these pictures. They are so beautiful. They have these gardens you can walk through, and so that's a picture on the right is at one of the trees with my youngest daughter and my niece there looking at the pretty tree, and of course all of this gorgeousness. And the other thing is my husband has just started working part-time at the Creation Museum. He works as in the events, and he has been doing the snake show. So before I get to the next slide, I'm going to say it might be a trigger warning. If you don't like creepy crawly snakes, slithering things like that, you may want to stop the video now, because I'm going to show you some snakes. So my husband, like I said, he has just started working at the Creation Museum, just part-time. He always picks up a part-time job. He's a realtor here in Northern Kentucky, but he always picks up a part-time job around Christmas time just for some extra money and things like that. And this year he decided, and he did FedEx last year, which was really hard work. If you've never worked at FedEx, a lot of lifting, and it was a little too much for him to do, and so he decided to sign on to the Creation Museum. Well, he absolutely loves this job. He works in events, and he's a part of the snake show that they have at the Creation Museum. And so honestly, this is something that we don't plan on him stopping. He's only part-time, but he's going to try to stay on because he loves the job so much, and the perks and benefits of getting to work there are so much fun. Because we're local here, we are all the time going out to the Creation Museum to do the free stuff, or the Ark Encounter to go play on the playgrounds and see the zoo and all that kind of stuff that's free for us because we live locally. But now we can actually go into the exhibits and things like that with him working there for free, and it's been such a blessing to us to get to do all this. So if you're interested in this, I just wanted to show you this. If you're ever in the area and you do go to the Creation Museum, check out the snake show. You might get to meet my husband. Let him know that you know me from my channel. Let him know that I'm somewhat famous. I'm not famous, I'm just joking, but I will say that in Northern Kentucky, I will be at Kroger, or I've even been taking my kids to their doctor's appointments before, and I have been recognized, so that's kind of fun for me. But anyway, I wanted to show you these pictures, let you know what we're up to here with my family over this Christmas break, and let me know in the comments if you're doing anything or what is fun locally around where you're at for this Christmas time. Okay guys, that's all I have for you. If you like this video, please give me a great big thumbs up. Let me know if you want to keep continuing to see these daily videos on Kroger. Of course, like always, go to the description box below, print coupons, join any kind of rebate apps you may not have with my links. Have a wonderful week. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you later. Bye.